Hello everyone and welcome to Coders Daily. Today we are going to solve another HackerRank problem which is known as error reversal, and this particular problem we are going to solve is in particularly programming language called C. Alright, so let's get started. So as usual, let's just start with the problem statement. What does the problem says? Okay, so the problem says that we have been given an array of size n, right? So size n means that we don't have a fixed amount of size of an array, right? So that is why what we'll need is we'll need a dynamic memory allocated array, right? It should change, or it should keep on changing the size according to the need. All right. But the problem and the solution is very simple, right? Like they'll just give us an array. Let's just say the array is 1 2 3 4 5. What we need to do is we need to just reverse the array and print it again. All right, so I'll just come over here. That this is how they have given us. First of all, they have given us the length of the array 6, and then all the 6 elements of the array. What we need to do in the output, we need to just reverse the array. All right, so let's just jump into the solution. Okay, so over here you can see that there are few things which are already being provided to us in the problem statement, right? So whole complete input system, what we can say is the complete input is already given to us. So they have just given us the number which would be used for the size of array. Then they have created a pointer for the array because we'll be using a dynamic array. So they have just created a pointer of array. And then there is an I variable which would be used inside loop to run the loop. All right. In the second line, what they have given is they have given us a input scanf for the number, the size of the array. Secondly, what they have given us is they have created an array of this particular size, right? So size is number, and then they have created a size of array. After that, what we are doing is we are just running a for loop to insert or to add those numbers inside that particular array, right? So for I equals to 0 to I is less than num. So basically if the size of array is 6, we'll run this loop for 6 times, and then just one by one we'll try to input the numbers inside that particular loop. Over here they have given us a comment that we need to write the logic to reverse the array over here. So what I'll do is I'll just create another loop, right, which would go something like this. For I equals to 0, all right, I is less than num divided by 2, all right, colon I plus plus, right? So what I'm doing is I'm running a loop from I, which is 0, to the half of those array. So let's just say this array size is 6, so we'll just run it till 3, the third element, till the third element will run it, right? And what I'm doing after this is I'm creating a temporary variable temp, which would store array of I, right? So let's just say if the value of I is 0, so inside temp, first of all, when we'll run the first iteration of the loop, we'll just store that first number. So for example, in this case, 16 would be stored firstly in the variable temp. All right. After that, what I'm doing is I'm just creating another logic, which is saying array of I equals to array of number minus 1 minus I. So this is very simple thing. Basically what I am doing is I am just swapping the numbers, right? So you might have learned it in the first year of your engineering, or maybe the first semester of your any technical degree, how to swap a number, right? So I have just shifted the array of I. First of all, I have stored the array of I in temp, and then I have shifted array of I into the last number, right? The last number is this. So I have shifted it, and after that what I'm doing is array of number of minus 1 minus I equals to temp, equals to temp. I have missed a semicolon, so I'll just put it over here. I'll again put it over here. All right, and I need to define a variable temp also, because I have not defined it. That's why the error is coming, right? So I'll just write int temp. All right, now the error has gone. So I think this would be enough to complete this code. If I'll run it, it's just processing it. Okay, so all the test cases has been passed. All right, I'll submit this code. And yes, all the test cases has passed, and we have completed this particular code successfully. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.